Hello everyone, welcome back to Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you a software that help you to how to share your Facebook posts to multiple groups. So this is my software. You can see first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook account. To auto share, we will go to share post. First, I will choose the account that I want to share. Next, I will set up from top to bottom. I will set up the break interval time. Then, I will choose the content to share. Next, I will pick the one that I need. And then, I will enter the post ID that I want to share here. I will take this post. Then I will take his ID. And then I paste it here. I save. Next, I will set up the number of posts that each account will do. Okay. And then you can like and comment to the post before share. And then you can share to your group, to your personal page, or to your story. I will share to group, and then you can share to the group that you already joined, or you can share by group ID. I will share by group ID, copy the ID, and then I will paste it here. Press save. And then I click here to not duplicate. Okay, finally I will go to setting and then set up the number of thread. Number of thread is the number account running at the same time. Okay. Have everything set up, I will press start, and then let the software do the work. There, you can see it start processing and it will log in into Facebook. And there you can see it start react to post, and its success share post. And then you can go to history so you can take all the link. And there you can see success sharing to multiple group. And then I will refresh. And there you can see the number of share here. I will go to my page. And there you can see I will have many share. You can check for the post here. There is share my post to multiple group. Okay, so basically I just show you a software that help you to how to share your post to multiple Facebook group. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Nguyen Phat Tools.